Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the GM Cuba 4+1 power strip. On the front of the package, we can see the power strip itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features. The salient features include USB charging, a fireproof body that can withstand temperatures of 750 degrees, quality assured, and it has a safety shutter. It also has a 1.8 meter long cord. On the back of the box, we have some more salient features up top, which includes a master switch, 3 international sockets, an indicator, a safety shutter, 3 USB 2.4 interfaces, and one 1.8 meter long cable. On the right hand side, we can see all of the features marked out, and on the left hand side, we can see all the devices that can be charged using this power strip. Right here, we have some of the power ratings, which we will go through now. It has a socket input at a max of 10 amps, rated power of 2500 watts. USB input is ranges from 100 to 250 volts. There are different power outputs on each of the USB ports. The first USB port has a power output of 2.4 amps. The second one has an output of 2.1 amps. And the third has an output of 1 amp. Underneath that, we have some customer care information, and we also have some importing and manufacturing information. So that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the power strip. As we can clearly see, there is a white and gray color theme going for it. We can see the gray on the power button and around the 3 international plug sockets. There are also these 3 USB charging sockets on the right hand side, and the GM branding is on top. In each of the sockets, we can see the safety shutters so that any object would not go inside it. Overall, it's pretty minimalistic on the other sides, as there is nothing really to see. Coming to the cable, we already know that it is 1.8 meters long, and at the end we have a standard 3-pin Indian plug. The cable is also kept nice and secure thanks to a Velcro strap, which should help with cable management. So this was the unboxing, or unpackaging in this case, of the GM Cuba 4+1 power strip. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.